Oh, a new addition to my money-saving arsenal. Wow, see how smoky it is? We only have 4 panels out today because I got plans. Even with 4 panels and it's smoky, I'm getting 14.7 amps. But when you look at how much I'm using, I'm only using 9.5. These are DCs, because you can't compare apples and oranges. Okay, this down here would be the oranges, 1.293 or 1.3. Anyway, this is DC, and this is what's coming in on the DC side, and this is what's going out on the DC side, which is 9.679 amps. I know some people like to look at watts. So the watts is 176, and the watts going out is 115. As long as you have a plus side on what's coming in over what's going out, you got a positive flow.